In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 300 dpi resolution images using Canva Dpi Tshirt Design. If you're preparing artwork for printing on apparel, clarity is everything. A 300 dpi image ensures crisp edges, clean lines, and professional results on fabric. I'll walk you through the exact process in Canva and explain what each choice means so you know why it works. First, open Canva and go to your design. Make sure you're on the final version you want to export. From here, look to the top right and select Share, then choose Download. This opens the export panel where you'll set the format and quality. Under Select File Type, choose PNG. PNG is ideal for t-shirt designs because it preserves image quality and supports transparency, which is essential if you don't want a background box around your design. Next, find the size slider and drag it all the way to the maximum. This step is important. The size slider increases the pixel dimensions of your export, which directly relates to print quality. Higher pixel counts allow your final file to meet that 300 dpi standard when it's placed at the intended print size. In short, maxing the size gives you the largest, cleanest version of your artwork. Once the file type is set to PNG and the size is maxed out, click Download. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your device. When the download is complete, open the file from your Downloads folder. To confirm the DPI, look for the information panel. At the bottom, click the I or the info icon. This opens the file details where you'll see the resolution and DPI reading. Here, you should see 300 dpi, confirming the file is ready for high-quality print. If the info panel doesn't immediately display DPI, don't worry. Some systems hide it behind a More Info option. The key is that you exported as PNG and use the maximum size setting. That combination is what yields a 300 dpi ready file for print applications like t-shirts. That's it. Thanks for watching.